some see a ramp. We see a racetrack. Steadfast in resolve. From the starting line to every stride. Temper the grit to win. Face every stretch of the race head on. Turn. Accelerate. Surpass. Read the road ahead and lead at every step. Listen closely to the wind and to the headwind. Press forward with fortitude. With tailwind, charge forward relentlessly. Every race is a ride, cutting through the wind. From being one step ahead to becoming number one. The next ramp defines the new season.